In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI to create a professional media kit quickly and easily. I start on the Gamma home screen and click on Create New AI to begin the process. Among the options, I choose Generate to build my content from a simple prompt. I select Document for my format, as I want a clean, one-page layout for my kit. I adjust the settings to a single card and then type in my prompt, specifying that I need a one-page influencer media kit for a tech YouTuber with 50,000 subscribers, focusing on engagement rates and audience demographics. Once I click Generate Outline, the AI provides a detailed structure for the document. Since I want everything to fit on one page, I start merging the sections. I click the merge icon on each block, moving the content upward until all 8 sections are combined into one single card. This keeps the information compact and easy to read. Next, I scroll down to customize the text content, selecting the concise setting to ensure the writing is punchy and professional. I then browse through the available themes, hovering over Keepsake theme for its modern and clean aesthetic. With everything set, I hit Generate and watch as the AI builds the media kit in real time. It automatically creates professional headers, an About Me section, and detailed blocks for platform statistics and audience demographics. It even generates persuasive sections on why brands should partner with me and highlights past collaborations. Now that the generation is finished, I can see the complete document. From here, I can now edit the presentation exactly the way I want. I have full control to swap out the placeholder images with my own photography, refine the AI-generated text to better match my personal brand voice, or add specific case studies and updated metrics. The toolbar on the right allows me to add more blocks or change the layout whenever I need. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI to create a media kit.